So I'm going to be giving a quick tip on how you can use the split screen feature on the Galaxy S23. Now, I will say this about Samsung phones. They make it super easy to split screen and multitask, while on iOS, it's nearly impossible, and we still are waiting for an update. Okay, anyways, to make this happen, all you have to have is some open tabs. And when you have these open tabs, you're just going to click on the icons on the top. And when you do that, you just want to click split screen view. Now, keep in mind, this isn't going to work for everything. For example, some games aren't going to work and some apps just don't work in split screen whatsoever. Anyways, it's going to give you a list of options where, you could choose another app to open, and that's basically it, guys. Then you could now maneuver the split screen if you want to make it smaller or larger on, either side. If you want to make it one screen, you would just hold down, and obviously this also works in both portrait and landscape. A lot of the time when I've used the split screen feature in the past, I've usually got like a YouTube video open and maybe I'm doing some shopping on Amazon. I've also, played games in split screen before. And it's just a cool feature to try out if you're somebody who likes to do two things at once, like myself. And yeah. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. We just got the S23 in, so I'm going to be, doing a lot more videos on it. I'd like to end things here running some Left to Survive because this game is just ridiculously fun. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's run it.